Check this out. This is greater than knee height. I mean, this happened in 3 weeks. I'm shocked. For the past few months, I've been doing a light renovation on this old house behind me, and I recently took a hiatus, just 3 weeks, took a road trip, did some other things, haven't been at the property, but when I was here, I was doing a good job of keeping up the grass, and I knew that when I returned, it was gonna be quite high. This is kind of what I expected here. This stuff is maybe about 6 inches tall or so. But then as we swing around over here, check out this jungle. It's almost covering up, well, probably like 50 to 60% of the sidewalk here, growing up over the deck out here. And then, I mean, just the majority of this stuff is crabgrass. Look at this stuff. It is so wicked. And this stuff here, it is probably hard to tell in the video, but it is 3 feet tall. Unreal. So I'm gonna do my best to see if I can cut all this down today. I think it's gonna be a big job, even though it's a small yard. It is crazy how tall this is. I can't believe it. This is a little lawnmower that I have that I've been using here, a little 22-inch. It says it's a mulcher, but it has side discharge, which is going to be a problem here. I wish that I had a mulcher. I did stop and look to see if there was an adapter or something that I could put on this to help mulch it up, but unfortunately I couldn't find anything. Hopefully I have enough gas. I did not bring extra gas with me. There's a little bit in there. I don't know if that's going to finish the job. Just for perspective, look at the lawnmower. I mean, I don't know if this is the right tool for the job or not, but it's all I've got here. I am going to raise the wheels up as high as I can go, I guess. That would be smart. Go ahead and put on a dust mask and some hearing protection. This little Craftsman mower is actually doing better than I expected it to. It's not really bogging down too much, and as you can see, I'm taking it slow and going back and forth and really only cutting like a half a strip at a time so it doesn't get bogged down too much. But let's take a look at this. What a significant comparison there. Just about 2/3 of the way through this portion here, and we have all this over here. Well, that turned out to be a really big job. It took me probably 3 or 4 times longer than it normally does to cut this little bitty backyard, but it looks way better. Still have like just a ton of grass that I tried to mulch up and go over like 3 or 4 times, but it'll just have to kind of like die down, work its way in, and I'll mulch it up next time I cut the grass, which won't be 3 weeks later. Should only be like 4 or 5 days later. And then it still looks a little scraggly on the sides, on the edges here, but that's about as good as my little Ryobi 20 volt trimmer could do for today. But man, that was a lot of work. That took way longer than I would like it to. I really need to get that thing down too. But thanks for watching. If you've stuck around and see the before and after of this little experiment here, hopefully it goes to show that you don't need the strongest tools or professional tools to cut down 3 feet of grass, overgrown grass. Just need a push mower, old trimmer, and then I use my blower too at the end. But yeah, all right. Thanks for watching.